welcome to lesson 2. Okay, so we're going to lesson 2 of our Boxercise, try and do something a little bit different, which gets us moving, gets our heart beating faster, and hopefully gets us out of breath as well. Okay, if you're not out of breath at the end, it means you're not working hard enough, so it means you need to work as hard as you can. So what we're going to do is we're just going to jog on the spot. And as we talk, we'll jog on the spot to get ourselves warm. So we want to try and remember what we did last lesson. So try and think of what we did. The first thing we did was our stance. So we did something called, can you remember what it was called? Have a think. Called left stance. And it's called left stance because our left foot was at the front and our right foot was at the back. Okay, so keep jogging on the spot. Have a think what else we did. We did 2 types of punches as well. So if you try and remember them, we had one with our left, and can you remember what that was called? We're going to call the jab. And then we had one with our right, and remember what that was called? And that was called the cross. So if you got those 2 right, really well done. Okay? And we also did a front kick. Now with the front kick, remember, we lifted our leg up and we tried to push the person away. And we tried to do it without leaning backwards. And we tried to do it without falling over. Okay? We also did some exercises. We did a walkout with our hands. We did some star jumps. We did something called spotty dog, where we were jumping backwards and forwards with our hands. Okay, so we did lots of exercise and got ourselves out of breath. So we're going to do a little bit of a recap. And then we're going to learn a couple of other things as well. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into left stance. There we go. Hopefully you're all in the right position. Our left foot at the front, our right foot at the back. And we're going to have our hands up here by our chin again. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that the floor is really hot. And our heels can't touch the floor because it burns our feet. So what we need to do is we need to kick ourselves jumping backwards and forwards to say that floor is really, really hot. So I'm moving, if I go sideways, I'm moving 1 foot at a time, 1 foot at a time, skipping backwards and forwards. I'm on my toes because my heels can't touch the floor because it will burn them, okay? So I'm really skipping backwards and forwards, moving. So we're going to try and skip backwards and forwards for 30 seconds, okay? Keep our hands always nice and high. We don't want these down here, that's no good. We want our hands up here. Remember, our left hand is ever so slightly forward, our right hand is ever so slightly back. And if you look, my left leg is in front of my right, okay? So even though we're skipping, we're still in left stance, okay? So we're bouncing backwards and forwards. So what we're going to do is, remember, our left hand was a jab. We're going to now jab, and we're going to do 5 in a row. Okay, are we ready then? 3, 2, 1. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how I did it? And I carried on skipping. I didn't stop and do it. We carried on skipping. So we're trying to get our heart to beat faster, to get ourselves out of breath. Okay, ready? We can do 5 more jabs. So you ready? We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now keep skipping. We're still trying to be tired, okay? And I get ourselves out of breath. This time, remember, our right hand is called our cross, and we're going to do 5 in a row now. Are we ready then? In 3, in 2, in 1. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now keep ourselves skipping, keep ourselves in left stance, and keep our hands nice and high. We're not dropping them down, we're keeping them nice and high. We're going to do 5 more crosses now with our left hand. Are we ready? We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Keep ourselves in left stance, keep that jogging. What we're going to do now is we're going to do 1, 2, bring back, then we're going to go 1, 2, and we're going to do that 5 times. So we're doing a jab and a cross, and we're going to keep skipping. We're keeping these legs moving. Okay, we ready? We're going to go 1, 2. That's 1. 1, 2. That's 2. 1, 2, that's 3. 1, 2, that's 4. 1, 2, that's 5. Good. Keep ourselves skipping. Keep ourselves on our toes. What we're going to try and do now is we're now going to start and do 2 steps as well. So we're going to go, keep our skipping. You can see I haven't stopped yet, so you should keep going as well. We're going to go jab, cross. We're going to go 1, 2, move over, keep skipping. 1, 2, keep skipping, move over. 1, 2, keep skipping, move over. 1, 2, skipping, move over. Okay? So the whole time I'm still in left stance. I've still got my left leg at the front, right leg at the back, but we're now moving across, but we're keeping ourselves moving. Okay? So we're ready, our hands nice and high, and we're going to go. 1, 2, move over. 1, 2, move back. 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 Good. Now I'm going to keep skipping. Okay, I haven't stopped yet. Okay, we're still going over what we did last lesson. Okay, we're now going to bring in that front kick. Now this part, we're going to have to stop skipping when we come to the kick. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go 1, 2, stop, leg up, kick, back to skipping. Okay, so I'm going 1, 2, stop, leg up, push someone away, back to skipping. Okay, so there are our movements. Remember, I'm still skipping, I haven't stopped. Okay, so my hands nice and high. I'm going 1, 2, stop, leg up, push someone away, back to skipping. Okay, we'll do this 5 times. That was 1. You ready? 1, 2, stop skipping, leg up, push someone away, back. Okay, that's 2. We're ready again. We're going to go 1, 2, stop, leg up, push someone away, carry on skipping. That's 3. Okay, we're ready. We're going to go again. We're going to go 1, 2, stop, leg up, push someone away, carry on skipping. That's 4. Okay, so we're ready. Last one. We're going 1, 2, stop, leg up, push someone away, and back. Right, we can stop. You can stop your skipping. Okay, good. That was well done. Hopefully your heart's beating up a little bit faster. Okay, hopefully you're starting to get a little bit out of breath. Okay, so that was a recap of what we did last lesson. Okay, now we're going to now bring in a second movement with our legs, a second kick with our legs. Okay, and it's going to be your back leg. It's going to be your right leg this time. So, if we're in our left stance position, we are bringing our leg forward to kick and then to bring back. Now if you notice there, I didn't kick, step and go back. We're not trying to do that. We're trying to bring it forward, kick, bring back into our left stance. Okay? So we actually kick, bring back there. We're not stepping and taking a couple of steps. That's no good, okay? We're looking to do it in one movement, okay? So it is forward, kick, bring back. So I'm back into my left stance every time. Forward, kick, bring back into left stance, okay? So we're trying to bring that leg forward and then back. Now once again, if I do it sideways to show you, I'm looking to go forward, back, there. So I haven't stopped at all. So I'll show you again. Forward, back, and there. Okay? And if you look, I'm not leaning backwards. My weight's staying on this front foot, there. And I'm balanced. I'm not falling over or wobbling. Okay? So we don't want you to fall over or wobble. We're trying to be as balanced as we can. Okay? So what we're going to try and do is set ourselves into left stance. So everyone, start left stance. Okay? Hands up. And we're going to try and do 5 back kicks with our right leg. Okay? So we're going to have a go. We're going to go 1 and back. 2 and back. and 3 and back, and 4 and back, and 5 and back. Okay? So hopefully you've done that without falling. Okay? Now we're going to add that to our routine now. Okay? So what I want you to do now is you're going to go into staying left stance. We're going to go 1, 2, back kick. Okay? So 1, 2, back kick. Okay? And it's about staying balanced. So if you're wobbling and falling over, take your time and try and get ourselves nice and balanced. But we're also trying to keep these hands up as well. Okay? So we don't want you going, okay? We don't want that. We're going to keep our hands up to bring it back. Okay? So we're ready then. Remind you, we're going 1, 2, back, kick there. So you're ready? You can do 5. Are we ready? Starting now. 1, 2, back, there. 1, 2, back, there. 1, 2, back, there. That's 3, 4, 5. Good, well done. Right, let's go back to our skipping in left stance. To get this floor nice and hot. Let's get our heart rate. We've got quite a big break there, doing some technique stuff. So what we're going to do is, are we ready? We're going to do 10 star jumps. So are we ready? We're going to do 10 star jumps in 3, in 2, in 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can do 10 spotty dogs. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to walk out with our hands. So our feet stay still. We're going to walk out with our hands. Are we ready? We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then walk out our back. That's 1. We're doing 5. Walk it out. Walk it back. That's 2. Walk it out. That's 3. Walk it out. That's 4. Walk it out again. That's 5. I'm going to do 10 star jumps to finish off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Good, guys. A bit of exercise. Now we're going to go back into practicing our back kick. So bringing that leg forward and bringing it back. Okay, are we ready then? We're going to do 5 back kicks. So hands up. Let's get ourselves into left stance. Hands up. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now, we're going to now change it a little bit. We're going to make it a little bit harder. We're going to go front kick with our left leg, jab, cross, back kick, step, step. So it's a little bit harder now. Okay, so we're ready then. I'll show you again. We're going to go front kick, jab, cross, back kick, 1, 2. Okay, so then we'll go again, front kick, jab, cross, oh, I think I got it wrong there myself. Back kick, 1, 2. So we're ready then. We'll do it 5 times. So we're ready. So we're in position in our left stance. We're going to go front kick, 1, jab, cross, back kick, step, step, front kick, jab, cross, back kick, step, step, oh, front kick, jab, cross, back kick, bring it back, step, step, oh, front kick, got wrong, jab, cross, back kick, bring it back, last one, front kick, jab, cross, back kick, bring it back. Good, fantastic, okay? So there are our techniques. We're going to get ourselves exercising again. Are we ready then? We're going to do 10 star jumps in 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You ready? Spotty dogs. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to walk out with our hands. Are we ready? Walk it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, here you go, 5. We're there. Good. Okay. Now this time you're going to bring some high knees in as well. Okay. Into our exercise. So we want to be able to bring our knee all the way across to the other hand. So if we do that one, bring it across to this hand. So these are the movements what I'm looking for you to do. Okay? So from sideways, I'm going to bring it up and across. Then bring that one up and across here. Okay? So take your time. The important bit here is that we're balanced. We're not falling over. Okay? So we can stand normal. Feet shoulder width apart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my right knee to my left hand. So there, 1. Then left knee to right hand, 2. Okay? We're going to do 10 of them, 5 on each. Are we ready then? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So, let's go back into left stance, jump into it. Hands up. We're going to go 1, 2, high knee, high knee. Okay, so jab, cross, high knee, high knee. We do left knee first. So we're ready then. Let's do 10 of them. You ready? Jab, cross, high knee, high knee. That's 1. Jab, cross, high knee, that's 2. Jab, cross, high knee, that's 3. Jab, cross, high knee, that's 4. Jab, cross, high knee, that's 5. Jab, cross, high knee, that's 6. Jab, cross, high knee, that's 7. Jab, cross, high knee, that's 8. Jab, cross, high knee, that's 9. Jab, cross, high knee, that's 10. Good, let's go back to left stance. Let's go back to the floor is hot, okay? So we can't touch the floor. We're moving backwards and forwards. Remember, our hands are always up here. They're not down there, that's no good. We want our hands nice and high the whole time. Now, this is going to be the hard bit, and this is where you're working on your mind and your coordination, okay? We're going to try and put everything together. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start with our knees. We'll go high knee, jab, cross, front, back. Okay, we'll do it again. We'll go high knee, jab, cross, front kick, back kick. And if you look, I'm finishing in my left stance position. So if I do it from here, I'm going high knee across, jab, cross, front kick, back kick in position. I'm not trying to do it quickly, I'm trying to stay balanced, okay? I don't want you falling over when you do the moves. Okay, so you ready then? We'll do it 5, okay? So you ready? So hands up, in our left stance position, I'm going high knee, jab, cross, front kick, back kick, bring it back. That's 1. You ready? High knee, jab, cross, front kick, back kick. That's 2. Are we ready? High knee, jab, cross, front kick, back kick. That's 3. Are we ready? High knee, jab, cross, front kick, back kick. That's 4. Are we ready? High knee, jab, cross, front kick, back kick, and we're ready. Good. 10 star jumps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to spotted dogs. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're walking out with our shoulders again. Are you ready? And walk it out. There's 1. There we go. There's 2. There's 3. And back again. There's 4. And last one. There's 5. Good. Now back into left stance and we're jogging. We're just skipping backwards and forwards. Remember, my heels don't touch the floor. Okay? So to go over what we did this lesson. Okay? We recapped on our stance. Okay, remember what this stance is called? Left stance. Good. Now remember, our hands are up. So our front hand, our left hand, when we move it forward, what's it called? A jab. Good. And then with our back hand, move it forward. What's that called? A jab. Good. Okay, then we have a leg up. Push someone away, bring it back. It's our front kick. And the important bit about the back kick, what we did today, our new thing, is we brought it forward and then put it back into left stance. We brought it forward and back into left stance. We didn't let it touch the floor. Okay? So let's keep skipping, let's keep finishing off. And we also brought in just some high knees, a different exercise. I bring our knee across the body, there and there. Okay? Hopefully you are all a little bit out of breath. Okay? What we'll do is we'll pick up from where this point here into our next lesson, and we'll learn some other moves with our arms. Okay? And try and get ourselves a little bit more tired. Okay, well done today guys. I'm tired, I feel I've worked hard. Hopefully you have. See you later.